Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress theme works with Elementor. So there are a lot of themes out there and not all of them are compatible, not all of them will work with Elementor. So you need to know the themes that are Elementor compatible. If not, when you install those themes and try to use them with Elementor, there might be a break in the code and the site. So checking out some themes that works with Elementor will make it easier for you to use the right theme. So let's go and see what WordPress theme works with Elementor. So here on WP Beginner, you're going to see about 23 best Elementor themes and templates that you can use. So popping up to the article, you see a list of templates and themes that works with Elementor. And there should also be another way for you to do this by going to Elementor's website, elementor.com, and go for their theme. You're going to see a lot of themes that can work for it. Okay, so guys, that will be all for now on what WordPress theme works with Elementor. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.